Differentiation is a mathematical concept that refers to the process of finding the rate at which a function changes. It involves calculating the derivative of a function, which is a measure of how much the function changes with respect to its input. It is used to solve problems that involve rates of change, such as finding the velocity or acceleration of an object, determining the growth rate of a population, or predicting the future value of a stock. Gradients are closely related to differentiation because they are essentially the generalization of the derivative. The derivative is a measure of how a function changes as its input variable changes. Geometrically, the derivative is a gradient of the tangent line to the graph of the function at that point. To find the gradient of a curve using algebra, you need to use the derivative. The derivative of a function at a point gives the slope of the tangent line to the curve at that point, which is the same as the gradient of the curve at that point. Write the function for the curve, usually in the form y is equal to f of x. Find the derivative of the function with respect to x. This can be done using the power rule, product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, or a combination of these rules, depending on the complexity of the function. The resulting expression will be in terms of x and or any other variables or parameters that appear in the function. Evaluate the derivative at the point of intersect to find the gradient at that point. This means substituting the x value of the point into the derivative expression and simplifying the resulting expression to get a numerical value for the gradient. Some basic rules or properties are given in the table below. Some functions are given and their derivatives are given. If we have a constant function, its derivative will be 0. If a constant is multiplied by the function, then we just apply derivative to the function. Constant will remain same. And this is a sum rule. Then if two functions are multiplied, we use product rule. And then if two functions are divided by each other, then we use quotient rule. And if a function has power, then we use power rule. If we have a function in the form f of g of x, then we use chain rule. You need to memorize these rules. Worked example. Find the gradient of the curve y equals 2x square plus 3x minus 1 at the point 2, 11. The function for the curve is y equals 2x square plus 3x minus 1. The derivative of the function with respect to x is y prime equals 4x plus 3. To find the gradient at the point 2, 11, substitute x is equal to 2 into the derivative expression. So y prime of 2 equals 4 into 2 plus 3. So y prime of 2 is equal to 11. So the gradient of the curve at the point 2, 11 is 11. Examination tips. When differentiating long awkward expressions, write each step out fully and simplify the numbers after. Don't forget to write the left hand side of y is equal to and dy over dx is equal to avoid mixing up the curve equation with the gradient function.